Okay, so step 3 really involves a lot of your imagination. It's really up to you. What you need to do is you need to figure out, hey, what do I want to show in my picture? Do you want to show feelings? Do you want to show memories? Do you want to tell a story that you just completely invented out of your own imagination? That's totally up to you because you are the artist here. So what I want to do is I kind of want to show a combination of those. But how do I do that? Because what we're going to be drawing these in are just these little teeny tiny little squares and rectangles that are part of our border. So one of the things I wanted to show was I wanted to show love. So I was trying to think, what is a symbol for love? And so what I was going to do is I thought of the heart. So I'm going to fill one of these in with, I decided to do a bunch of little hearts. You could do one big heart. It's up to you. And what you can use for this is really any sort of material that will draw. It doesn't have to be in color. It could be in black and white if you only have pen, or if you only have pencil, it could be in gray and white. It could be in marker. It could be in chalk. It could really be in wherever your abilities take you. So I'm going to do, on the next one, what I want to do is I'm going to do it just in pen so that you guys could really see how that works, because we've got this colorful paper here. Sometimes just drawing in black and white right on top of that, or in black right on top of that, looks just as good. So in my next one, I wanted to do another, just another little picture of the city. And so I'm just going to make some more buildings, which we already learned how to draw. I'm going to draw some buildings. And I'm going to add those details. Okay, maybe some of those little fun little shapes on top. All right. You don't have to fill up every single square. It's really up to you, but you certainly can. And what you're going to do now is you're just going to continue to fill up with little memories of your city, little decorations. It's up to you. So go ahead and do that with whatever materials you have available. All right, and once you are done, I'm going to let you do your work however you want, but once you're done filling in as many of these squares as you can, you are all set, and I would love you to take a picture and send me your artwork so that I can post it on our website. Awesome, great job.